Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Gnan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to start a new chapter, Circle, which is from Math Second. Basic concept of circle. Now, definition of circle: the set of points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. Now, center of circle, a fixed point of a circle is called the center of circle, and radius, a fixed distance of the circle, is called the radius of the circle. Chord of the circle. Chord is a segment whose ends lie on the circle is called a chord of the circle. In figure, AB is the chord of the circle. Now, diameter. A chord passing through the center of circle is called a diameter of the circle. Means the greatest chord is the diameter of the circle. So, this diameter is also called a chord of the circle. Now, in this figure, AC is the diameter and length of diameter is equal to twice R, means double of the radius, and AB is also chord and AC is also chord. Now let's recall, in a previous class we already studied the properties of the chord of the circle. Now, first property, a perpendicular drawn from the center of circle on its chord bisect the chord. Means in figure, O is the center, OM is perpendicular drawn from center to chord AB. If segment OM perpendicular chord AB, then AM equal to MB equal to 1 by 2 AB, means this chord divided in two equal parts. The second property, the segment joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to the chord, means center of circle and midpoint of the any chord is joined, then we can say that OM is perpendicular to the chord PQ. If O is the center of circle and M is the midpoint of the chord, segment OM perpendicular chord PQ, that is angle OMP and angle OMQ is having 90 degree. Now, third property, a congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. If in a circle there are two congruent chords, if chord AB congruent chord CD, see in this figure, chord AB congruent chord CD, then we say that this congruent chord are equidistant from the center, that is OM equal to ON. In this way, we see the three properties of the chord. Then we can say see again tomorrow some properties. Good day, goodbye. Okay.